Welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we will look into the questions from the chapter called Introduction to Trigonometry. Hello friends, may I request you to please click on the subscribe button below this video.
The given question is, prove the following identity where the angles involved are acute angles, for which the expression is defined as sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta upon 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta is equal to tan theta. So guys, this is what the given expression is, and let us see how we are moving ahead, or what we are exactly doing to reach out the expression, or to prove that left hand side of this expression is equal to right hand side of this expressions. So let us start our calculation here. So what is being given? It is being given that sin theta, minus 2 sin cube theta, upon 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta is equal to tan theta. So guys, we will start with the left hand side of the expression and we will reach at tan theta, so that we can say that left hand side of the equation is equal to right hand side of the equation. Now left hand side of the equation we are going to start with. Here left hand side of the equation says sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta upon 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta. So this is what is being given as the in the left hand side of this equation. Now guys, how we will move, or what we will do, let us see. Now from the given expression sin theta, so sin theta, I can take sin theta as a common in the numerator, and in the denominator I can take cos theta as a common. So let's see what I mean by taking as a common. Or that is equal to, I can write the above expression, or the expression in the numerator is 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Hope guys till here it is pretty clear. Is there anything wrong if I write this one is in this way? Just I took sin theta as the common and I took it out. So once I take sin theta common, I am left with 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Similarly, in the denominator also I will take cos theta as a common. So if I take cos theta as the common, I will be left with 2 cos square theta minus 1. This is what we got in the numerator as well as in the denominator after taking sin theta and cos theta as a common thing. Now guys, we very well know the identity. What we know? We know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, or I can write cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. This is what I can write. So if you look here, what I can write, like we know sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, or cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. This is what I can write from the above given equation or given identity. Now let us see. Now in this step what we are going to do here, or that is equal to, I will keep the numerator as it is. I will not touch the numerator at this point of time. I will keep the numerator as it is, like sin theta into 1 minus 2 sin square theta. And let us see what we are going to do to the numerator. Here we have cos theta, and instead of cos square theta, I am going to write 1 minus sin square theta. So here we have 2 cos square theta. So instead of 2 cos square theta, I am going to take, instead of cos square theta, I am going to replace it with 1 minus sin square theta. So this is how it will look if I replace this equation 2 cos square theta with 1 minus sin square theta. This is, we need to be very careful here and no need to get confused. Just I replaced 2 cos square theta, instead of cos square theta I replaced with 1 minus sin square theta. So 2 remained as it is, or that is equal to, I can write, or that is equal to, I can write. So if you look here, what I can write, sin theta into 1 minus 2 sin square theta upon Just I'm keeping the numerator as it is. I'm not solving the numerator at this point of time. Is equal to, let us multiply 2 to the resulting equation or the resulting part what we have. So if I multiply 2, I will get 2 minus 2 sine square theta, and this one is minus 1. Hope guys this step is clear. Just I multiplied 2 with 1, I got 2, 2 with minus sine square theta, I got minus 2 sine square theta, and I opened the bracket where I got minus 1, it was already there. Or that is equal to sine theta, I will keep the numerator as it is. Again, I am not touching the numerator at this point of time. Sine square theta, 1 minus 2 sine square theta upon cos theta. Now, here it is plus 2 and here it is minus 1. So we got 1 only, minus 2 sine square theta. Now guys, looking at this equation, you could imagine what we are going to get in the next step, or what I am going to do in the next step. Or that is equal to, I can write sine theta upon cos theta only. Why? Because 1 minus 2 sine square theta and 1 minus 2 sine square theta, it got cancelled out. So I am left with sine theta upon cos theta. Or that is equal to tan theta, because we know that sine theta upon cos theta is nothing but tan theta, that is equal to right hand side. Am I correct? Let us check once the given expression where we started. So we started right hand side as tan theta. Now we reached out to a point where we got right hand side as the tan theta. So this is what we got, and this is our result. Now you could see that we got tan theta is equal to right hand side of the equation, and so this is what I can write. Therefore I can easily say, or we can easily say that left hand side is equal to, therefore we can say that left hand side of the equation is equal to right hand side of the equation. Hence this is proved. Hope guys you understood the steps or the process how I did it. But still, if you have any questions or doubts, please reach out to me in the comment section of this video. I will get back to you once I see your comments. Guys, if you really like my videos, please subscribe.
If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.